Hey guys, welcome to my channel Tech Zone. If you're looking for the best electric ranges in 2025, you've landed in the perfect spot. Done the research to bring you the best electric ranges in 2025, options for this year. Considering price, performance, and usage scenarios. Discover which electric ranges is the best fit for you. All the product links with the best deals in the description box below. List is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Frigidaire Gallery GCRE 3060. The Frigidaire Gallery GCFE 3060BF, available at Lowe's for $1,099, has a lot of eye-catching features to make the most of your home cooking. Beyond convection and self-cleaning modes, this range also offers sous vide, steam roast, air fry, and probe cooking settings, all within intuitive reach thanks to the touchscreen interface. However, during testing, we found that some of the more basic functions of this Frigidaire electric range fall short, including slow boiling rates, inaccurate oven temperatures, and a flimsy storage drawer. For another feature-rich electric range option with even better performance, and this 30-inch appliance comes in both traditional stainless steel and black stainless steel finishes, both of which are fingerprint resistant. The cooktop features 4 traditional heating elements and a 5th spot in the back that functions as a warming zone, which reaches up to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. The 2 burners on the left side also function together as a bridge burner. The front dial controls, and the burners themselves, light up when in use, so you can keep track of which burners are on at all times. The oven features 2 standard racks and 6.2 cubic. Number 2. GE Profile PB965. GE will expand its smart range offerings beyond expansive built-in doubles with a new line of profile freestanding ovens that you can control from your phone. And GE is doing its part to help connected appliances become more prevalent. Today, company reps showed off a new line of freestanding, Wi-Fi-enabled ranges during a tour of the GE Appliance Park. Previously, GE only offered the convenience of app-controlled ovens on some of its most expensive built-in double. Adding Wi-Fi connectivity to more typical consumer models brings the feature in range of more casual cooks. These ranges will be part of GE's Profile series, and will be available in gas, electric, or a dual-fuel combination. The cost will vary from $1,600 to $2,000, and they'll be available starting in September. After a demonstration, I had the opportunity to play around with one of these ovens, as well as the brilliant app that makes it smart. I really enjoyed both the enhanced functionality. Number 3. Samsung NE63S6511SS. The Samsung NE63S6511SS is a striking freestanding electric range that offers excellent value for money. Along with a sleek and spacious ceramic cooktop and a large 6.3 cubic foot oven capacity, the range features several smart capabilities and a built-in air fryer mode. The NE63S6511SS doesn't only impress us with its suite of features, it's also a capable range with some great baking performance. The NE63T8511SS is available in 4 finishes, including black, white, black stainless steel, and regular stainless steel. The black and white models cost an additional $95. The versatile ceramic glass cooktop has 5 burners in total. The 2 front burners are dual zone, and the back 3 are single zone. The back center burner is a warming zone. In addition to its standard mounted controls, the Samsung NE63S6511SS can be operated using the Samsung SmartThings app. With the app, users can preheat and adjust the oven temperature and timer remotely. Number 4. Fotile FreshBake 30-inch electric range. This 30-inch slide-in electric range is a versatile and modern addition to any kitchen. While the GE GRS 600 AVFS is packed with advanced cooking and smart features, the true innovation comes in the form of a removable oven bottom tray. If cleaning burnt debris off the bottom of your oven has ever been a difficult task or one you just avoided until you were tired of dealing with a smoky kitchen, this oven solves your problem. The entire bottom surface of the oven is removable, washable, and dishwasher safe. No more bending down to scrub the inside bottom of your oven. We're truly amazed that GE is the first manufacturer to design this feature into an oven, and we love it. As far as cooking features go, this range offers 5 smooth top elements, including a dual-size, 12-inch and 9-inch, powerboil burner for high-heat tasks, and a warming zone for low-temperature needs. Smart features enhance the appliances. Usability. With built-in Wi-Fi connectivity allowing remote control and monitoring through the Smart HQ app, oven functions such as No Preheat Air Fry, No Preheat Fresh Reheat, and Express Preheat promise to save time and improve efficiency, although we found the No Preheat settings often require longer cook times that offset the intended efficiency. Number 5. Hisense Electric Range HB3501 CPS. We've fallen in love with Hisense tech products in the past for offering impressive quality with an affordable price tag, like our pick for the best value TV. And when it comes to kitchen appliances, the brand is committed to a similar value-rich ethos. We were impressed by the Hisense HB3501 CPS electric range, in which offers strong performance and plenty of features with a low price tag. The appliance boasts fast preheat times, solid construction, and intuitive design. It did lose some points for overheating controls and too high burner temperatures, but we would still recommend it to anyone looking for an electric range on a budget. If price is less of a concern, the LG LREL6325F electric range has excellent performance and comes with Wi-Fi-enabled smart features. With such a budget-friendly price tag, we were surprised to discover how many features and oven modes are offered with this range. In addition to true convection, which performs excellently, this oven also offers preset modes for things like pizza, bread proofing, frozen foods, dehydrating, and more. This takes the guesswork out of several kitchen tasks and offers more confidence to cooks of all skill levels. Number 6. GE Profile PB965. The PB965 features a total 6.6 cubic feet oven capacity, split between a 4.4 cubic feet lower convection oven, with true European convection, and a 2.2 cubic feet upper traditional oven, ideal for cooking multiple dishes simultaneously. Smart, convenient, air fry without the wait, control from your phone, and clean up made easier with steam options or versatile cooking zones, perfect for large meals, multi-course dinners.